Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Renegade parking light. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. We'll walk through each step, from gaining access to the bulb to testing your new light. Let's get started and restore your Renegade's illumination quickly and efficiently. First, turn your steering wheel completely towards the side you're working on. This gives you ample room to access the fender liner. Next, find the small access panel within the liner. You'll typically see two plastic Phillips head screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these screws, then gently pull back the liner to reveal the parking light assembly. Once you have access, locate the parking light bulb socket. It's usually a small black connector. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing, then pull it out. The old bulb, typically a 194 type, can be pulled straight out. Insert your new 194 bulb firmly into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Now, carefully reinsert the bulb socket into the light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Guide the fender liner back into position, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinstall the two plastic Phillips head screws to secure the access panel. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm that your new parking light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.